In this video, I'm going to show you how to install shaders in Minecraft 1.25 and above. So shaders are a great way to improve the appearance of your game and just basically make everything look more HD. So the first thing you need to do is just go and exit out of your Minecraft game. And what you're going to do is open up an internet browser and just type in Fabric Minecraft and then press enter. Now this is basically a tool that's going to allow us to install mods and also shaders for Minecraft. So go and click on this top website here and click on the download button and select download for Windows. Now go and click on Fabric API and that's going to take you over to the CurseForge website. Now from here just scroll down and click on the Files tab. Then if we just scroll down again you'll see this Fabric API and you should see 1.21.5 next to it. Go and click on the three vertical dots and click on Download File. Now give that a couple of seconds and it should begin downloading to your downloads folder. Now what you'll need to do is come back over to the previous window, come up to the search box where it says search for Minecraft mods. Then we're just going to use this search box to search for the word sodium and press enter. Now you'll need this to go and run the shaders, so scroll down to this sodium one here and click on it. Then scroll down and click on Files. Then just scroll down again and make sure you're installing the game version 1.21.5. Next to mod loaders, it should say Fabric. That's how you know you've got the right one. Then just click on the three vertical dots next to it and select Download File. Now once again, give that a few seconds while it downloads to your computer. Once it's finished downloading, we're just going to come back over to the previous window. This time come up to the search box and search for Iris Shaders and press enter. Now scroll down again and click on this top one here, Iris Shaders. Now once again, click on Files, scroll down and make sure the game version is 1.21.5 and make sure the mod loaders is Fabric, which is this one here. We're then going to click on the three vertical dots and go and press download file. Now once that's finished downloading, come back over to the previous window. Now scroll up and click on mods in the navigation. Scroll down and click on shaders in this left hand side. And now there's a bunch of different shaders you can go and use for your Minecraft game. So you can basically just look through these and find the ones that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to click on this one here and you can basically look at the gallery images to see what these shaders look like. You can also click on the description and this is going to give you some more information about the shaders. So let's say for example, this is the one that we want to go and download. Just scroll up to the top and click on Files. Scroll down again and make sure you're downloading 1.21.5. Then just click on the three vertical dots and press download file. So by now you should have downloaded 5 different files, which you can see here. So now I'm just going to close out of my web browser and I'm going to open up my file explorer and click on downloads from the left hand side. So here you can see the 5 downloads in this folder. And what you'll need to do is first start by double clicking on the Fabric installer. And sometimes Microsoft Defender may stop you from opening this file. So all you need to do is click on more info and click on run anyway. Then just go and press install and press OK. Now once you've done that, you can come over to your start menu and go and launch the Minecraft launcher. Once you're on the Minecraft launcher, click on installations in the top navigation and you should be able to see the Fabric loader that we just installed. Go and click on the open installations folder. And then from here, you need to look for a folder called mods, which is this one, double click on it. Now what we need to do is open back up our downloads folder in another window. And now we're just going to drag the Fabric API into this mods folder, also drag the sodium fabric into this folder, and also drag the Iris fabric into this folder. Now once you've done that, you can come back over to the Minecraft launcher. You can hover over Fabric Loader and click play. Agree to the terms and conditions and press play. Now once Minecraft's loaded, head inside of a game. Once you're inside of your game, bring up the settings page, click on options, click on video settings, and as you can see, we now have way more options to choose from. Go and click on shader packs. Now what we need to do is go and drag in our shaders to this application. So if I go and open back up my downloads folder, you can see at the top here, we have these shaders. Go and drag in this folder like so. And as you can see, here it is. Make sure shaders are enabled and then just go and press apply. Then we can click on done. And now if I close out of the settings page, you can see now that everything looks more HD and all of the colors in contrast have changed. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.